you with that
इश्क जैसे है एक आंधी, इश्क है एक तूफान.
Hi.
Hi, where are you from?
America, where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan actually. I want to say pickup line to you because you are so cute.
What's your pickup line?
Roses are red, violets are blue. I am using my hand and thinking of you.
तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहे, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहे.
Ang kain na pala dyan, no? Panglikid? Kaya bunyi, may bunyi choletan.
You pretty. Oh, thank you so much. But you are not pretty.
साले को बम से उड़ा दूंगा एक बार हाथ में आ जाए तो.
Hello. Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Okay. The behind the picture.
I don't know. I see this.
Yeah, that's a god.
Okay. So what are your hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket and
Porn video.
yeah,
Okay.
watching some porn and
Nice. I have also same hobbies. What's your favorite porn star?
you.
Me. Oh my God. And I admire you. Yeah, really.
Oh my
Let's
god.
make some videos.
साले तू.
Okay.
Contact number, please.
Okay.
What?
Wait. I have a question.
Yeah.
Somebody rate me 7 out of 10 on omegle. How much you rate me?
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
6.
Okay. Nice.
करने का मन.
But I am giving you 10.
Oh, thank you.
I am giving you 10.
Thank you so much.
Out of 100. 100.
मेरी वीडियो ही
Bye. I'm your big fan. I know. Bye. Nice.
Hi,
Hi.
where you are from?
From London.
Oh, you're from London. Why are you so cute? क्या था ये?
I know you. You are a YouTuber.
No, I am not.
मन लगा देते तो ऐसा लगता है सब फॉरेनर हो.
नहीं. 400
400 रुपए का यार मेरे को भी चाहिए, मैं भी लेकर आऊंगी.
A few minutes later.
बहुत आई गई यादें.
मगर तुम फिर आ गए.
क्या यार?
चश्मा कहाँ से लिया? एक नंबर.
अरे धन्यवाद.
तू चश्मा कहाँ से लिया? जल्दी
मैंने
बता.
फेंक दिया.
जाना है इस बड़वे को.
Hi.
No. Allora, I met
हाँ. Yes.
a boy.
Yeah.
He. Are you from India?
No, I'm from
Alright.
Pakistan.
You don't look Indian. Anyway, I met this boy who was, I don't know how to say in English.
I can understand your English. Don't try your best.
Allora, I met a boy who killed me when I say that I'm Italian, and I wanna his mother. He don't have to be born. He have to die.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Because he's keeping me only because I'm Italian.
I will never skip you. This is my hand. I don't skip it. I not skip you. I can literally see all day. You are so cute. Hi. Indian.
नहीं.
लेकिन एक सेकंड.
नहीं.
इंडिया से.
ये फंस गया सी है.
No, I don't live in India.
आपको समझ आती है हिंदी?
नहीं.
ये कैसे आपने समझा?
But how old are you?
How old are you?
17.
70. I am 70.
14.
मेरे साथ अन्याय हुआ है.
Koti, you know what? I not have magic to use your
Yes.
Look how skip works.
Emotional, damn it.
Oh my god, lots of girls.
Yeah.
Give me a hug, please.
Megan, you have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
Yeah. Can you like get on the things? No.
You are boyfriend of all.
Yup, all of them.
औकात मेरे
अब इस छोटा सा तो है. By the way, you look so cute. Hey, turn the camera. Guys, I hope आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. So guys, अगर आपको वीडियो जरा सी भी अच्छी लगी तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कर दो. हम आपको मिलते हैं जल्दी किसी नेक्स्ट इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए ओका बाय आप पर.